Machine specifications is the main criteria for you to determine the machine's value. It is also a factor for you to determine which machine would be a better investment. Haas always has a higher specification compared to same ranked machines. Compared to other machines, Haas has a rigid and solid structure and a high-performing spindle. Spindle power is one of the major specifications for machine performance. Insufficient spindle torque would mean that there is high friction. This would generate heat and vibration on the cutter and workpiece, and hence affecting the tool life and finishing. Our machine can overcome this problem with improved torque and high feed. If there is more power and more torque, there is less resistance and low vibration. With high cutting feed, the contact time per tooth on the cutting tool is lower and hence lesser shear heat. This would allow you to produce more workpieces with faster cycle times and lowers tooling costs. The VF-2-SE machine has a spindle power of 30 horsepower and a maximum torque of 122 Nm at 2000 RPMs. The machine is also capable of cutting at a maximum feed of 21,200 mm per minute, making it capable of high-performance machining. The VF-2-SE machine costs about 16% more than the other machine. However, with a repayment period of 5 years and an annual 4% interest, the monthly installments are 6,500 ringgit and 5,400 ringgit respectively. Just imagine if you implement 26 working days per month with 12 working hours per day. You get an additional installment of 3 ringgit and 40 cents per hour. That's an additional 1,048 ringgit per month, which are less expenses than that of a foreign worker. Our machine specifications can help you be cost efficient. Let's take a look at the costing comparison. The machining time in VF-2-SE is about 6 minutes and 15 minutes in other machines. The VF-2-SE machine has a production cost of 1,040 ringgit extra per month, but it produces parts that are 6 ringgit cheaper per piece because the machine produces parts 9 minutes faster. In conclusion, the VF-2-SE machine takes an average of 1.4 days to machine 100 workpieces, which is 1.25 days faster than other machines. In 1.4 working days, the other machine can only produce 40 workpieces instead of 100 workpieces. This means that the VF-2-SE machine can produce 60 workpieces more. If the cost per piece is 7 ringgit and 90 cents, the other machine can only make 317 ringgit in sales. This means that the other machine makes 475 ringgit lesser than the VF-2-SE machine. To see the whole picture and to understand the value of our machine, let's take a look at the comparison summary. Although you'll be investing an additional 1,048 ringgit in monthly installments, you'll be producing an additional output of 8,980 ringgit. If this production continues for 1 month, you will get an additional output of 1,872 pieces, and you will also save 15.6 days of machining time. With the VF-2-SE machine, the 52,000 ringgit investment is returned in 5.8 months.